Hey guys, this is Lance, the Often Teacher. This video I'm going to go over STRK, which is a preferred stock through strategy. It gives a good distribution, and if you have good upside on MSTR, you could actually make even more money off it. So you could turn your income into MSTR shares in the future. There's a 10-to-1 conversion strategy for it. So if you own 10 STRK shares, you could make the equivalent of one MSTR share. Or also one STRK share could be 0.1 MSTR share. This does give a good distribution, as we'll see. You can collect income while you wait. And because of this, you have a built-in downside protection. This could be a very overlooked setup. A lot of people are using STRC for the 11.5% distributions. Right now, STRK is very similar to that, but you have some possible upside as well. And the market cap on STRK is not nearly the same as STRC. So what is STRK? It's an income-producing security. It's a preferred stock through strategy. They are giving this to get more funding to buy more Bitcoin. It also pays strong distributions, and you can convert it into MSTR. Key mechanic, again, 10 shares of STRK makes 1 share of MSTR, and this creates a valuation anchor. So based on the price of MSTR, STRK could move with it. It's not going to be as consistent as STRC. However, STRC doesn't have the possible upside of converting it. If MSTR goes up, STRK will typically go up as well. And if MSTR goes down, STRK could go down as well. So it's a lot like a synthetic exposure to strategy. So a simple example, if MSTR goes up to around $1,000 a share, one STRF should be about 100 because it's a 10-to-1 ratio. Now if STRF is below it, then you can arbitrage setup. That's STRK, not F. Currently, we're at $77.48 a share, and quarterly distributions are $2 a share every 3 months. So if you do 2 divided by 77.48, check on my handy dandy calculator, 2 divided by 7.48, you're getting about 2.58% per quarter. 2.58 times 4 quarters, you'll be getting 10.32%, very similar to STRC at the current 11.5%. So this pays you to wait. You can collect those distributions. You can do whatever you want with that. It does give you a little bit of downside protection there because you're collecting those distributions over and over. You could just buy more shares of STRK. You could even buy shares of MSTR from it. So you could participate in some of the upside indirectly with the STRK or even directly with strategy. And it's like owning MSTR directly. However, that downside protection of getting those distributions does make it a little safer, in my opinion, than just owning the strategy stock. Now, this conversion ratio does limit your downside. If STRK gets too cheap, the buyers will typically want to get in, so they can get in at a lower price point. The distributions will also be higher, assuming they keep the $2 quarterly dividend. And this creates a floor-like effect, where if it gets too low, the distributions will be higher, and that could drive up the price of the preferred. If MSTR will run, then SRK will follow as well, and this conversion captures your upside and get income and growth. There is a catch though. Bitcoin is very volatile. You'd want to stay in this for a pretty long period of time if you believe in Bitcoin. Conversion does depend on the terms holdings, and the market could stay inefficient where the price is not the same as MSTR in the conversion ratio. Right now, it's not quite at 770 or so. So you're going to have to wait for it to catch up, where MSTR will have to get into around the 7,800s in order to do that conversion where it'll actually be worth it. Real play is to buy STRK at a discount to the value if possible, collect those distributions, and then let the conversions of the price of a STRK to MSTR do that work. Why it's interesting, right now retail isn't really focused on this. They're more focused on STRC. Income plus the arbitrage combo is pretty rare where you could do that conversion into shares. And it could be mispriced temporarily because you are getting almost 11% in your distributions per year. So final thought, this isn't just income. It gives the optionality of the conversion. If Bitcoin runs up, this will run up as well. You can convert it into MSTR at a lower price point currently, and you do get an income to make it a little bit more downside protection. And those are some good setups for STR. Okay. So if you like these kinds of setups, these option income strategies, credit spreads, mispricing opportunities, and passive income, I'm going to click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments down below this video. I'll read and respond to all of them. Have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.